Hey, this is Mark Heston. Just like the sales page headline says, I'm going to solve your number one problem. And this is especially true if you are brand new to marketing or you're just trying to enter a new niche or market. And that's how to gain credibility, authority, and trust. So with the instant credibility prompt kit, you can copy and paste to gain instant credibility in any niche. You could gain that instant trust and authority without testimonials, proof, reviews, or people to vouch for you. You don't need anyone or anything else outside of the instant credibility prompt kit to gain instant credibility in any niche. And there are 60 plus prompts built into the software, all in different categories. And in addition to these copy and paste prompts that work with free Claude, Gemini, or ChatGPT, you're also going to get the Instant Credibility Prompt Kit PDF. And in the PDF is an overview of what's in the software and the entire system as a whole. So right here is the overview: how to manufacture perceived expertise from thin air, because that's what you're going to be doing with the Instant Credibility Prompt Kit. No followers, no testimonials, no credentials, no problem. And all of this PDF, it breaks down each of these. So instant influence, triggers, and prompts. You get an overview, and then you get all of the prompts built in so you can see what's built into the software. And that coincides with what is built into the software right here. And I'm going to show you how to use the software right now. So this is the software. As I said, there's 60 plus prompts built in. You copy and paste the prompts, all of these prompts, into either ChatGPT, Gemini, or Claude directly from the software. So you don't need an API key. This doesn't have any ongoing costs associated with it or hidden fees. All you do is copy and paste the prompts that Instant Credibility Prompt Kit gives you into free AI, and you could generate endless content. Okay. And because right now I'm offering this as lifetime access, you can use this as much as you want forever. So you use the Instant Credibility Prompt Kit as much as you want, so you could go into any niche or market and instantly gain credibility. So I'm going to show you how the software works. So you enter your keyword below or niche. So I'm just going to put, let's say we want to break into the diabetes space and we're brand new. I'm just going to click on generate. That's going to change all the placeholders within the prompts. Now I'll take you through and just show you some of the prompts. Now there are 60 plus built in, and all of these are very, very, very slick. And I can just take this first one, the expert title generator. What this is going to give you now, since I'm using diabetes as an example, let's say that I'm breaking into the diabetes market. And of course, I don't just want to be Joe Blow that knows a thing or two about diabetes. You're never going to gain that credibility, authority, and trust by doing that. What you want to do is position yourself as a diabetes wellness strategist, a metabolic health coach and lifestyle advisor, a type 2 diabetes turnaround architect, okay? Or like a ton of these. This generates 20 different titles for you, and this is only the first prompt in the Instant Credibility Prompt Kit, and it's already giving you totally usable stuff that you should be using right now within your business to gain credibility. Now, in addition to that, built into that prompt, we also have it so that you can generate 5 brand position statements or value propositions around it. So let's just copy this one. Okay. So let's say that we are a diabetes wellness specialist, and just click on enter. Now you're going to see where it says, I help people living with type 2 diabetes transform their daily habits, nutrition, and mindset so they can lower A1C, reduce dependency on medication. As a diabetes wellness strategist, I guide clients through the practical side of managing diabetes. So you could see now, not only do you have all of a sudden have a title, you also have something that you can use in your about me's, in your social profiles to instantly capture attention. And now all of a sudden you're someone worth listening to. You're not Joe Blow with diabetes trying to hustle some courses or mysteriously created this course. Now you are going to be a diabetes wellness strategist that helps people living with type 2 diabetes transform their daily habits, nutrition, and mindset so they can lower A1C. So now this is a totally different thing. All of a sudden now you have credibility where before you had no credibility, and that's why you weren't making any money. Okay. And this is the same with even, we do shady stuff like the ghost cred drop, imply you've ghost written for industry elites without saying who. So I just copy that prompt. Then we can just copy that in here and it's going to create this content for us. And there's 60 plus prompts built into this. This is absolutely awesome. I mean, this is what you need if you're just starting out. Okay. So I used to write about diabetes content for people with massive followings, big platforms, big promises, big audiences hanging on every word. And here's the uncomfortable truth I learned behind the scenes. So you can see how this is all like from there. And then you put a call to action at the end of that to download whatever for free. You're going to get people subscribing left and right. This is what's missing in your business. This is what the instant credibility prompt kit gives you. I mean, it's crazy stuff. There's even stuff in here like you can create your own terms. And this is something that's crazy to do. So invent 5 original terms for diabetes that spark curiosity and feel uniquely mine. Okay. The blood sugar feedback grid, the insulin rhythm mapping. Once you start talking about this stuff, people are like, well, what the hell is that? And then they're going to want to get closer to you. So you're more credible instantly using all of this. And I mean, you could just go through and create content all day and basically frame your entire business using the instant credibility prompt kit. And that's why you should get your hands on it right now. Unlimited lifetime access, no ongoing costs, no hidden fees. You can use this as much as you want with free ChatGPT, free Gemini, or free Claude. There's no API keys. I don't put API keys because I don't want ongoing costs associated with my software. So these copy and paste directly into the AI. And you could gain instant access to the instant credibility prompt kit by clicking on the buy now button right now. Unlimited lifetime access. Use it as much as you want. Go over the PDF. Use the software. You are going to be blown away by this. Your jaw is going to drop when you see the type of content that this creates. So click the buy now button right now and you gain instant access to the instant credibility prompt kit, the PDF, and start putting it to use right away within your business.